30, 2025, Beijing Tangzhou Station officially opens in the subcenter's integrated transport hub. It boasts multifunctional integration of rail systems, public services, and municipal facilities. Beijing now becomes China's first city with 8 first-class railway stations, plus 2 international airports in its transport hub cluster. Check out Yuanpai Nano Thermal-Conductive Composite Coils, corrosion-resistant, high-strength, 30-year warranty and 50-plus year design life. Superior heat transfer, 0.5 C higher ice-making inlet temp, 10% better ear, maintenance-free, safe and reliable, slashing operational costs, low-carbon production with low energy consumption, more, economical lower, life cycle costs. These coils have earned prestigious product honors.